knocked my awning off. No. Okay. I need to loosen that one off a bit.
Yeah.
What happened?
Nothing.
Oh, the awning's just come loose and fallen out of its bracket.
Nothing to see here.
What'd you hit?
Oh, it's come loose and just slid forward.
Oh. Everything's still there?
Yeah. Are they 10 mil?
Yeah. Just 10s. Or it might be 11. It's like that. It looks like something's hit it.
Oh, it touched the tree a little bit.
Oh, okay.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Just a little graze on a tree, not much.
Yeah, so it didn't come loose
No,
at all.
it is loose. The front one's loose, which was lucky, see?
There it is.
It would have slid down the tree if it wasn't loose.
Just push it in. That's it. Got him?
Yeah. Right,
Slide it.
Yep. That's it.
How far forward? About that? All right, tighten her up. You want a socket?
And I think you'd struggle with the socket too.
Yeah, it's tight on the
Yeah, I'm
against
getting
that
it. It's all good.
bracket, eh?
All good? Tightening up.
There you go.